You can ditch the expensive collagen supplements and still get glowing skin and healthier joints. Let me explain. The gelatin trick is a game changer, and I'm excited to share why it outshines collagen. While collagen is often touted as the ultimate solution for skin and joint health, Gelatin Trick offers a more accessible and effective alternative. When you consume gelatin, it's like giving your body the building blocks to produce its own collagen, which is way more efficient than just taking a supplement. I've seen people try the gelatin trick and wake up with a noticeable difference in their skin's texture and hydration. My friend, who's been struggling with joint pain, started incorporating the gelatin trick into her daily routine, and now she can move freely without any discomfort. The gelatin trick is all about using a simple kitchen ingredient to stimulate your body's natural collagen production, and it's incredibly easy to do. To get started with the gelatin trick and experience its benefits for yourself, check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough. For a quick start, jump into the conversation in my pinned comment below, where I've shared a simple gelatin trick recipe to get you going, and let's chat about how the gelatin trick can become a part of your daily wellness routine.